how to see purchase history in Google Play Store. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And also make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials and find our playlists. We have playlists for each app, and let's get started. So if you don't know, Google Play saves any purchase that you do on Google Play Store. So each transaction or each subscription you did using Google Play Store or any in-app purchase through Google Play Store is saved in the purchase history. So let's go to the purchase history and go to Play Store. So when you open Google Play Store, make sure that you're signed in to the account you want to say it's purchase history, and go and click on the profile picture from here, and then go to payments and subscriptions. Here, as you can see, there are three options. You have subscriptions to see your current subscriptions, and you have also budget and history. In this budget and history, you can see any subscription or any transaction you did on your Google account. Here is my purchase history in Google Play Store. Every transaction and every payment I did with its details, and also any in-app purchase done is gonna be saved here. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.